Hey guys, Leif here from iTech Office National. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'd like to show you a little handy feature on the Office National website. You may not be aware of this, but it's called the Ink Toner Finder, and you find that on the Office National website at the top banner. And the Ink Toner Finder is very handy to find the right consumables for your printer or multifunction device. So I'm just going to demonstrate this. If I click on the Ink Toner Finder, we then select our printer brand. In this case I've got a Kyocera printer. So you select the make, and then we select the model. So I've got this one here, and then you can see you get the right toners up for your machine. You can add that to the cart. You can also, I suggest adding that to your favorites list. Once it's in your favorites list, you can easily reorder them on the toner cartridge that I want. I can add it to my favorites, and I'm going to add it to my main items list, add it to the favorites, and that's a very easy way of making sure you get the right model number, product number of your consumables now and into the future. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.